Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking for the best motorcycle DVR in this video? I will show you the top 5 best motorcycle DVRs to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 in our list is Motorcycle Dashcam Dual Lens. Specifications: brand name, iCreative. Sensor type, CMOS. Video format, MPEG-4. Display size, 3.0 inches. Imaging sensor, 1:3 Sony CCD. Camera resolution, 1920 by 1080. Chipset manufacturer, Novatech. View angle, 150 degrees. Pixels, 500 mega. Number 4 is vsysto Dual 1080p Full HD Motorcycle DVR. Specifications: brand name, vsysto. Camera resolution, 1920 by 1080. Number of lenses, 2. Chipset manufacturer, M-Star. Frames per second, 25. Origin, mainland China. As the item number 3, we've selected Dual 1080p Motorcycle DVR. Specifications: brand name, Raquel. Memory card type, micro SD/TF. Camera resolution, 1920 by 1080. View angle, 120 degrees. Pixels, 500 mega. Camera resolution, 1080p front plus 1080p rear. Wi-Fi support. Power supply, DC 12 to 24 volts. Number 2 is GPS Motorcycle DVR. Specifications: brand name, Taebang. Aperture, f1.8. View angle, 155 degrees. Camera resolution, 2560 by 1440. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX335. Pixels, 1200 mega. Interface, AV-in, Wi-Fi, micro SD/TF. Chipset manufacturer, Novatech. Frames per second, 30. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Dual 1080p Motorcycle DVR. Specifications: brand name, Cocam. View angle, 150 degrees. Pixels, 500 mega. Sensor size, inches, 1:3 inches. Sensor type, CMOS. Screen ratio, 16:9. Imaging sensor, 1,3 Sony CCD. Camera resolution, 1920 by 1080. Chipset manufacturer, Novatech. Interface, AV out, USB 2.0, Wi-Fi, micro SD/TF.